Okay, I'm going to start putting a windmill together. They didn't send very good instructions at all, but like this is a totally different flywheel or hub, whatever you want to call it. And on here they got nuts to hold them on, but on this one they just go through the hub and then tighten in to this threaded part here, preformed, probably 3D printed. I'll get these all on and see how it looks from there. Fins on the hub. Now to put it onto the generator itself. Okay, I just moved out to the picnic table with a lot better lighting. Hopefully it's not too windy. Okay, you got the generator turbine. Now I'm going to put the fins on. Get her started. Once you get it started and it's not cross-threading, just use the biggest Allen key they have. Just put it so it's snug, not too tight. And they got the nut to go on top. There we go, she's on. I'm producing electricity right now. Okay, now they have no instruction on the wiring, but what I understand is the 3 wires coming out of the turbine, doesn't matter which way you hook it. Little charge control they send. These 3 green wires will hook to those 3 red wires. So you just hook her up, and then you got your black, your red, go to your battery. So it's the way I understand it. It's the first time I hooked up one of these. So I'm going to put it on just a shorter pole just to test things out. Okay, I found this long black cord in my stuff. I like to repurpose as often as I can. They're different colors, but that doesn't matter at all. I'm going to wire it on here. For now, I got some steel pipe, PVC, because this is in 2-inch. Take these nuts out, these bolts out. We'll put her PVC with the steel pipe inside, run the wire out. I just want to basically get her so I can test it today. See if it puts anything out, and I'll get it as high up as I can on the back of my garage here, my little shop. She's going now. I got it farmer fixed to the top of the garage here. I got to get some better 2-inch piping, but for now that's working. In the video it's kind of going slower than it actually is. It's optical delusion. But I'm going to have it running down and the cable running into the garage to charge battery pack inside the garage. Battery bank. Oh yeah. Hauling ass now. Thanks for watching. I'll do an update video down the road.